everybody's good. Welcome to another video, Crossword Done Daily Challenge. Thank you for the comments. On the quest today, I'm going to slow down and I'm going to be sharing some tips for absolute crossword beginners. What to know before you start. Then I've got one bonus tip at the further end. So let's get to it. Firstly, boost your confidence. Check yesterday's answers. If you see this box here, if you pause it and zoom in, these are the answers to yesterday's clue, yesterday's grid. If you know even 25%, 30, 50% of these words, you're halfway there. You're ready to start. If you know more, you're flying. Number 2, clues are set as across and down, as in 1 across, 1 across, 6 across here, 9 across here, down, 2 down here, 3 down here, 4 down, and so on. The number here in brackets is the amount of words, the amount of letters in the clue. Pay attention to this, as it can be a big pointer. Read through all the clues from beginning to end. Don't write anything down, but make a mental note of any of the answers that come to you. So here, not sad, dark wood, tortoise, pub game, etc. And as you go through, you'll see some that come to you. Start with 3 or 4 letter clues. Clearly a 3-letter word will be less complicated than a 10-letter word. 3-letter, 4-letter, 4-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter. Good place to start. Don't put pen or pencil to paper until you're sure. It's best to start off in pencil, but start where you're most confident and build from there. Hopefully with a better pencil than mine. Right, 6. Don't overthink it. If it's a quick or concise crossword, it's likely to be a word you hear regularly or one that you use also. It may well be the first thing that you thought. It can be that simple. So, with that said, let's get to it. So, we've already had a quick look through. And by the way, this is from Monday 19th of February. Sometimes I grab old papers and keep them aside for a rainy day. So we've already read through the clues, so now let's start with some short ones. Hill, 3 letters, not quite. Monetary unit. All right, let's start with this one. Not sad. When it says not, it usually means the opposite. So not sad, happy, 1 across. Okay, let's go to 4 down. Monetary unit. So that's a currency beginning with Y, 3 letters, yen. Okay, 2 down. National song. In England, God Save the King, national anthem. Okay, 10 across. Tarnish, stain. So I'm going to start in this corner and work out of it, because this is where I've started, this is where I'll continue. Portent, omen. Okay, 13 down. Brag, boast. Okay, 24 across. Hill, tall. 20 across. Weighing device, scales. $14 down. Tree, we'll leave that for now. That could be a lot of things, so we don't want to be guessing. We'll wait till we've got the first letter, hopefully. Okay, 21 down. Oreo. Again, not 100%, but I'll come back to that. Okay, let's go up to 9 across. Tortoise, say. So when it says say, that's meaning like an example of. So a tortoise is an example of reptile. Ooh, spelled it wrong. R-E-P-T-I-L-E. That's why it's good to use a pencil. But I think I just got away with that one. 5 down. Book of maps. Atlas. This one comes up often. 6 down. Aged. Elderly. Alright, 6 across. Dark wood. Even with E. Ebony. Okay, 7 down. Defeat. Got 2 letters there, so looks like beat. 11 across. Pub game. There's a few pub games. Darts, 1. Snooker. Billiards maybe, but this time darts. 8 down. Idea. Notion. 12 across. Manservant. Valet. Valet parking. 12 down. Planet. So here's a good way to demonstrate the numbers. 5 letters for a planet. There's 9 planets, and how many of them have 5 letters? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So 3 of those, and we've got the first and last. So that's a good way to eliminate some other options. Venus. Okay, 19 across. Rush. Right. Everyone can relate to being in a hurry. Okay, 19 down. Evil. We'll come back to that. 18 across. Of high mountains. Alpine. Often when the clue is of, it ends in an I and E. Well, probably, I think always actually. We'll say most times. 15 across. Fish. 3 letters. I think that will be cod. Okay. 16 down. Discourage. Deter. Okay. 14 down. Alright, we still haven't got that one. 13 across. Develops into. Becomes. So now a tree, I think cedar. Becomes clearer. Okay, so let's come to 15 down. Polite. Civil. 22 across. Sting. I think that would be bite, but we'll check. 22 down. Writing desk. Bureau. B-U-R-E-A-U, but we'll check. 28 down. Pelvis. Hip. 31 across. Glazing paste. Beginning with P. Putty. Okay. 28 across. Cures. When it's simply one word, for example, cures, it's another word for that. And if it ends in S, the clue ends in S, the answer's going to end in S also, most likely. So cures, beginning with H, heals. 23 down. Pill. I think tablet. There's a reason why you don't need to know all of the answers before you start. Without even answering that clue, I've got the answers, I've filled it in. So 22 across, sting was bite. Okay, so bureau, I think that looks like writing desk. EAU. Okay, 29 across, African country. Again, ending in IA. That could be a lot of different countries, so we're not going to guess. We'll wait till we get some more information. 26 down, a badger's burrow. That is a set. So now I've got the first letter. We'll come back. 26 across, breaks suddenly, snaps. Okay, right, 18 down, star sign. Again, we could go for the star signs, but here we already know the A, R, and the N, so it will be Aries, I-E. Okay, 25 down, cleave, split. Okay, 25, temporal, secular. Okay, right, what else? 19 down, evil, heinous. So now 29 across, African country, TU, something IA becomes clear, Tunisia. Okay, 27 across, ardent male, Romeo. 21 down, Uriel, I think that's Corona, A. 30 across, desires, wants. Clue ends in S, answer ends in S. Okay, and I think, yeah, Corona, O-N, oh no, I've done it again, no. Again, that's why you should use a pencil. Okay, and last one. Okay, I think I will use this as a way to show that actually the last tip that I was thinking to show. So, here we have the clue, 3 down, and the clue is the slammer. And we have P-R-I something N. Now, because in English we write from left to right, i.e. horizontally, not down vertically, it's sometimes difficult to see answers when you see them in this form. So what I'll do is I'll write the letters that I have, P-R-I space O-N. And then sometimes the answer just becomes a lot clearer. So here, the slammer is slang for prison, so clear to there, and I'll put that in, and then prison, and then that's it, crossword done. So hope that helps, and grab a paper, have a go. Some tips there to get you going. Anything you want to know, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll be glad to help. And I hope you have fun trying a crossword. Good luck, and I hope to see you next time.